In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Canva and link to Google Forms and Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused page that collects responses and stores them neatly in a spreadsheet, perfect for signups, registrations, or simple lead capture. Start by opening Canva and searching for website or landing page. This pulls up layouts that are already sized and structured for a scrolling web experience. Choose a template that matches your style, or start with a blank canvas if you want full control. As you design, think in clear sections. Begin with a strong headline that explains exactly what you're offering. Follow with a short description that adds a bit of context. Highlight a few key benefits or features, and finish with a bold call to action button, something like sign up or register. Keep the design simple, with high contrast and readable fonts. The goal is to guide the eye straight to the action you want people to take without distractions. Next, create the form that will capture your information. Open Google Forms and add the fields you need, such as name, email, or phone. Keep fields to the essentials to boost completion rates. If you like, customize the theme so it feels consistent with your Canva design. When you're done, click Send, choose the link icon, and copy the link. This is the URL that your button will open. Now connect the form to a spreadsheet so every response is saved automatically. In Google Forms, go to the Responses tab, click the green link to Sheets icon, and choose Create New Spreadsheet. From now on, each submission will appear in that sheet in real time, making tracking and sorting a breeze. Head back to Canva to wire everything up. Select your call to action button, click the link icon in the top menu, paste your Google Form link, and apply. If your design includes multiple buttons or text prompts, link each one to the same form to keep the experience consistent. Finally, publish your landing page. Click Share, choose Website, and select the scrolling option, which works especially well for landing pages. Then click Publish. Canva will generate a shareable link you can post on social media, include in emails, or add to your profile. That's it. Your page is live, your form is connected, and your responses are organized in sheets. Keep refining your headline, copy, and visuals for clarity, and you'll have a high-converting, user-friendly landing page in no time.